There are several AI-powered tools available for project management that can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance collaboration. Here are some recommendations. Trello is a popular project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and workflows. While not AI-driven per se, Trello integrates with various AI-powered plugins and extensions that add functionalities such as automated task assignments, smart notifications, and predictive analytics. Asana is a comprehensive project management platform that offers task tracking, team collaboration, and project planning features. Asana's AI-driven capabilities include automated task prioritization, smart scheduling, and predictive insights to help teams stay organized and focused on their goals. Monday.com is a versatile project management tool that offers customizable workflows, task automation, and collaboration features. With its AI-powered automation capabilities, Monday.com enables teams to streamline repetitive tasks, automate processes, and optimize project workflows for efficiency. Rike is a flexible project management platform that provides tools for task management, team collaboration, and project planning. Rike's AI-driven features include intelligent task prioritization, resource allocation, and predictive analytics to help teams optimize their workflows and achieve project success. Microsoft Project is a project management software solution that offers planning, scheduling, and resource management features. With its AI-powered capabilities, such as automated scheduling, risk assessment, and resource optimization, Microsoft Project helps teams manage complex projects more effectively. Clarizon is a cloud-based project management platform that provides tools for project planning, execution, and collaboration. Clarizon's AI-driven features include predictive analytics, automated project updates, and resource allocation optimization to help teams deliver projects on time and within budget. Zoho Projects is an all-in-one project management software solution that offers task tracking, team collaboration, and reporting features. With its AI-driven capabilities, such as smart task assignment, progress tracking, and resource optimization, Zoho Projects helps teams streamline project workflows and improve productivity. These AI-powered project management tools offer a range of features and capabilities to suit different project management needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, optimize project workflows, or gain insights from project data, there's likely a tool that can help streamline your project management processes and drive project success.